Michelin is a French company. We are a tire manufacturer, but beside tires also we have a strategy to develop also solutions and services around and beyond tire. It includes, for example, fleet management, high-tech materials or hydrogen. One key ambition that we have at Michelin and DCTI is to really improve the user experience and the performance of our solution. So having solution running in the cloud will surely help us to meet this ambition. Moving to the cloud is a really complex project. The business operation running an e-business suite is pretty large. If we talk about finance, it covers general layers, payable, receivable, accounting, but EBS also supports our upstream processes, including the stock and inventory management for our semi-finished and raw material product, as well as the downstream process, so covering the order-to-cash processes such as order execution or invoicing. Last year, when we decided to start this new project to move to the cloud, it came pretty naturally to work together with the Oracle customer success team. They are very committed with us. They know what is really key is the one team spirit and to share the same objective and to align with the same goal. So far, the project is really successful. We have moved all our environments on time and with no business impact. We have been able to reduce the total time elapsed to run some critical processes. We start to observe some improvement for the IT teams who have started to really use the cloud environment. It makes their life a little bit easier because the environments are more stable, more scalable as well. We will need to explore what will be the new features that we can use now running on the cloud, how we can continue to benefit from the capabilities coming from Oracle. We are pretty confident in the future.